Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can turn on or off the dark mode on your iPhone 15 Pro. Right now, as you can see, the light theme is on, and to change that we need to go to our settings and then go to display and brightness, and here we can choose the light or the dark theme. When we turn on the dark theme, you see that the background is black, but we can also say to turn on the automatic one. Schedule times to change appearance automatically. iPhone may wait to transition until you're not using the screen. Alright, so we can say sunset to sunrise or custom schedule. So now we can say when we want the light theme to appear again. So let's say at 8 in the morning we want the light theme to appear, and then the dark mode we want to turn on at 9 in the evening. So then over the day the light theme is on, and at night the dark theme will be on. But of course you can also say to just turn it on in general, and then it's just turned on until you turn that off again. If you make your settings, you can just go back, use your phone as normal. So that's how you can turn on and off the dark mode on your iPhone 15 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.